Hey guys, what's up? So I have not done an unboxing in some time and I'm really sorry. Other than like unboxing my the unique packages that I get. So I'm so excited. I will be also posting a unique video or unique shorts video here shortly. If you guys want to know what I have on my face, that will be posted on in the description as well. I'm just going to clear off some of the stuff and I'm going to show you what I got. So this is actually, I'm not subscribed to Boxycharm anymore, not because I don't want to be, I do. I cannot, I wasn't going to, I don't know, hard to explain. But here are 2 premium boxes. I actually ordered them through their like drop shop thing. So I ordered both, or I ordered, like it came with 2. I think it was like $40 for both of these. I thought that was amazing. So here is going to be the first box here. Alright, let's open it up here. So the first thing, so I got the Kenya Ontiveros Beauty Glow and Go Kit. So that's cool. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so this is what this palette looks like. So it has like 2 little brown shades in here. I'm not entirely sure. But here is this palette. I think this is really cute. It looks like there's a highlighter. That's pretty. Wow. So these shimmers are actually quite nice. I wonder what premium box this was. That's not bad. Cool. Okay. So that's good. The next thing is the Grown Alchemist. This is Biological Beauty Age Repair Gel Mask. Interesting. What do you do with this? It's a mask, so for your face. Skin elasticity while hydrating, firming, and nurturing facial skin. Okay, cool. I mean, I'm excited to give that a try. The box is like dirty. The next thing is the hydrating Adez. This is the Water Fit mask. I think these are sheet masks. I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah. Of course, they had to add on to my growing collection of face shield masks. But that's actually kind of nice that they did 5. Yeah, 5. I've been really getting into facial sheet masks because 1, I have a lot of them, and 2, I want to get rid of them. 3, it's actually kind of calming and relaxing just to get them done, or doing them. So I think that's awesome. That's awesome. I like that. So 2 skincare, 1 makeup so far. Oh, here's a thing. Did not know that So these masks are $20. This is $48. And then what the heck? I don't know. Here are some lip liners. I have a growing collection of lip liners now. Cool. Oh, there it is. Alright, and then this is Evio Beauty. These two lip liners, I'm assuming together is $24. This is in shade Brook. Oh wow, that's creamy. That's really pretty though too. And then shade Val. That's pretty too. I like this. Alright, the next thing is the Flawless Serum Epone Beverly Hills. This is a serum. Which it $195. Oh my god. $195. This is better be gold. I mean, like, better be gold. No scent. But it seems like it's like a hydrating serum. That's nice. A powerful serum that reduces the appearance of lines and wrinkles, tightens and firms while providing the skin's surface with a protective barrier, helps retain water in the corneous layer of the skin, making the skin appear plump and radiant. So it does have a radiance look. So that's nice. I like that. I like that a lot. Here is a huge extreme lash mascara. This is Stila. And this is $23. Ooh, that's a nice wand. I'm excited to give that a try. And then last, but certainly not least, ooh, I actually have this and it's super good. I really like this. So this is Elemis Superfood Matcha Eye Dew. So this is actually a really nice eye cream thing. I actually got this through Ulta, but it's actually $38. It's super nice and very worth it in my opinion. So if you guys are ever interested in getting something for like eye-wise, this is something that I would definitely recommend getting. I do like this. I mean, I wouldn't. If you guys were able to get it in Boxycharm, I think you guys will really enjoy it. So that's actually a really good box. Let me see the prices. The price of this box. Oh, wrong one. So 39 plus 48 plus 23 plus 195 plus 20 plus 24. $346 for this box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So there's 6 items total, but I don't see this on the card anywhere. Like, this card is not. This is called Gift of Glam. So I don't know if this was a Valentine's box or not, but I'm definitely excited to use some of these products. I'm very excited. I'm very excited to get this. Or use that. All right, the next box, you guys. This is the other premium box. And then this one is called Glam Vibes Only. Cool. All right, the first thing that I am going to pick up is this is a Milk Makeup. This is a highlighter illuminator. I don't think I've ever had anything from Milk. Oh, no, I do, but it was from, like, what's it called? An Ipsy. Oops. Oh, wow. It's a really pretty glow. I like that. So that is $26. That's pretty. I got an ice roller. This is actually really nice. Of course, my son tends to play with it. So here's another, if he doesn't find it, but it's really nice. I actually do put this in like the freezer refrigerator and just like roll everywhere. So this is the ice roller, which is $18. This is the Transform Plus Fights Oil, Major Signs of Aging, Fat Glow Facial. Instantly exfoliates and illuminates. Oh, bless me. This is $50. Oh wow, it's very thick. It's a facial mask. Did not read that. Did not read that. Alright. The next thing is a Stila Smudge Stick waterproof eyeliner. Their actually eyeliners are really not that bad. Oh crap. Okay, I gotta hurry up. George is awake. I got the Queen eyeshadow palette. This is actually, I do have this. And then the Emma Hardy Brilliance Facial Oil. This Queen eyeshadow palette is $46. This facial oil is $55. I'm sorry, you guys. That wasn't a very long nap for him at all. 46 plus 50 plus 55 plus 18 plus 28 plus 22. So that is $219. That's actually kind of a disappointing box. All right, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you guys have questions, just let me know. And that eyeshadow palette, I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to do with this, honestly, just because I do have this eyeshadow palette. It is a very cute one. I'm not going to keep it. So I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. So I'll let you all know. In the meantime, I hope you all have a fantastic Sunday. It is going to be a very busy week for me because I'm going to be alone because Tyler did have to go for classes. But I hope you all have a good week and I'll see y'all soon. Bye guys.